Legends of Learning presents the Number Play Lab Game. This is a PhET simulation that makes learning about counting objects fun and easy to understand. In this math simulator, use this interactive whiteboard to freely explore numbers up to 20 in your own way without feedback. Combine different object types, practice addition or subtraction, or create 10 frames to reinforce efficient grouping methods. Use the mouse to click on different objects and numbers. Drag and drop different objects and numbers on the screen to add or subtract to get answers. Use different objects and numbers to help you learn more about counting. Learn more about math in this PhET simulation. Reset the simulator to try different settings to learn more about math. Have fun and enjoy playing.